Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Blink Mini Pan Tilt camera. Here's everything that comes in the box. We got a cable. We do have to plug this in. It will have to be plugged in the entire time. Now again, there is plastic on this. Make sure you get all the plastic off. There was a lot of plastic on the camera. Make sure you get it all the way off. There was plastic up here around the speakers in the front. And there is a reset button down here if you ever need that for future. And there's a QR code back here you're going to scan to connect it to your phone. Here's the actual pan tilt. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Got like a 1/4 thread down there. You can power this up also. So this plug's going to go here, and then you're going to plug the camera in, and then this one plugs into the camera. That's how it all gets power. So let's go ahead and set it up. You got to snap this on. It's easier to put this on the base, and the cord comes out the bottom, and this will only go one way. So snap it on. Yeah, there. It just pops in. Take the cord. Now you got to kind of twist it a little bit. The short end will only go one way. It has to go at the top. Now push that in all the way until it kind of clicks. All right. Okay, the cable it comes with is 80 inches long. USB-A. This will only go one way. Now you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 1 amp. Yeah, getting the tape off of this one the plastic proved to be kind of difficult. There. Okay, I got the other end plugged in. Again, this is micro USB. It will only go in one way also. Small end towards the top. Push it in until it kind of stops. It should be sort of flush. Both cables sort of flush. Green light's flashing. Let's go set it up in our Blink app. Now, if you don't have a Blink sync module, you will need a sync module because the camera and the tilt thing will have to talk to the sync module. Then the sync module is what talks to the internet. This has to be plugged in all the time. You can also install a thumb drive to record your recordings, but you have to have this Blink sync module for this to work. If you already have one, then it's just a simple open up the app and hit the add button. Okay, click the plus button. We want this one, the pan tilt. Everything is connected. Confirm. Add the mini to my account. So I got to scan that code that's on the back. Pick the sync module you want to add it to. If you only have one, there will only be one right here. Make sure you're in setup mode now. It says, is the green light steady and the blue light flashing? Yes. So hit discover device. You have to join. This thing's going to transmit a Wi-Fi signal, so join it. Select whichever Wi-Fi you want and give it your Wi-Fi password. Okay, so it's connecting. And of course it's got a firmware. The lights go off even during the firmware, so give it about 5 minutes probably. Okay, it's kind of moving all around. I'm not sure what it did there, but it says it's done. All right, say okay. Now the first thing it does, it gives it a really long number. We want to change that. Go to device settings, go to general, and then there's that really long name. Go ahead and type in your new name. Okay, make sure you give it a name that's easily for your smart devices to recognize, because when you want to view this on your smart devices, like your Alexa or something, it's easier if it has like front door or living room or something. So, all right, let's click there. Let's just click on the live view and let's try to pan and tilt it.
Tilt it.
Okay, there's the view. It's a very clear view. I tap the screen. Now I can move it, looks like. Like if I hold it, it moves it. I can go up. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm not sure what home is, but let's press home. So that must be the default view. Maybe I can set that up, but yeah, it's very responsive. Wow, it goes really far down. Oh, you know what's funny? So hit home. So it's pretty important to get, so you can rotate this. I didn't think that was that big a deal, but rotate this now that it's lined up. I just snapped it on there, didn't think that was a big deal, but you do want it lined up. That way it kind of knows now when it goes up and down, it's perpendicular with the camera. So yeah, that's a better view. That's a very clear picture. So I don't see, well, there is, you can pinch zoom. I was gonna say I didn't see a zoom button. Yeah, it's very responsive. Down is down, you can go all the way down. Limit reached. Oh. Now it's going all the way up. Huh, kind of froze there. Here it comes back. My internet's a little slow. So there's kind of some other, I've got extended live view. There's update the default view. So I don't want to do that yet. So put it in the position you want. And then you can update. So let's say that's the default view. Now click more, update default view. Update. Okay, that's kind of a neat feature. Click the three little buttons. I can do a 360 pan. So now it's just moving on its own. It's doing a 360 pan. I don't think it spins all the way around. I think it has to stop. Yeah. Let's go more. And we got all the different device settings. We can, you know, there's all kinds of settings. When to activate the motion, video settings, audio settings. Looks like there's a calibration. You can calibrate it. That's probably what it did when it first powered up. All kinds of settings. But in order for this to work, you do have to leave it plugged in all the time. Let's go over the size now. Stands about 6 inches tall. You know, the base is right at about 2.5 inches. But the cable does stick out a little bit. So yeah, pretty excited about it. You do have two-way communication with it. You can talk with it, you can hear. Pretty neat little device. Yeah. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.